Alright, so sorry about the noise, I'm walking next to a street, but good morning shadows. The weather has broken and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today in Brasov. So what better day to start filming and get everything going than the day after storms. Today I think the plan is to kind of give you an idea of what happened during the walking tour, and then I think I'm going to climb up to the Brasov side. We'll see how that goes, maybe, to get some beautiful views of the city. So like always, let's get this day started. Alright guys, so we are in Council Square, which you guessed it is where there was a town hall. At one point there was also executions done here. Now it's kind of used for festivals and concerts and protests, which occasionally happen. Right now it looks like they're setting up for, I think my tour said it was going to be like a book fair, which is kind of cool. There'll be like concerts and things tonight, so I might come up and see what that's all about. Just gonna sit here for a few seconds, kind of take some pictures. It's a great starting point because it's actually kind of in the middle of town, real close to like the pedestrian walks and all that. So there's a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops. Good jumping off place because in the back, I don't know if you can see, is the Black Church, which we'll go look at here in a minute. And then also like real close to walk, about an hour walk up to the sign. And yeah, so definitely a good place to start. And this is where the free walking tour I went on actually did start, next to the fountains, which right now I think are being cleaned and prepped for the book festival. And yeah, so let me sit here, I'm gonna have a drink of water, take a few shots for the gram, and then we'll start headed to the Black Church. I think we'll do that, and then we'll head up to the sign, and then when we come back down we'll finish off the stuff that we covered in the walking tour. I think that's kind of a smart idea. And then we'll have lunch, dinner, and then head back to the hostel to kind of do some work. I'm here for another 2 days, so tomorrow I think I'm doing Palace, which is in Sinai, Palace Castle, which is in Sinai, and then also then the next day we'll do Bran, which is Dracula's castle, which he really actually never even went to, but it's gonna be cool. Yeah, let me get going. Alright guys, so behind me is the Black Church. I can't remember when they said it was built, but it took a while to build. It's actually originally called, hold on, let me check the basis, St. Mary, but there was a fire and the interior kind of became darkened, so then it got called the Black Church. It actually at one point was converted to like a Lutheran church during the Lutheran Reformation, but then went back to being Catholic. I want to even say, I think it's just straight Catholic. They do concerts and things here as well. They have like one of the largest organs in Europe. In fact, I might go see one. I think they said it was Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, so that's always a good thing. But it's absolutely stunning, and even though I'm not really a religious person, I can see like the grandeur and beauty of it. So that is that. Let's keep walking. step out here where I'm gonna get a little light. So I'm about to walk down the narrowest road in Brasov and the third narrowest in Europe, and it is super narrow. It is called Rope Street, I believe, after the Rope Guild, but check it out.